Stack is joining me once again. And Steve, I've been looking at the rooms in my home, and one by one, I want to do something a little bit different. And I think doors are the right place to start, but I have so many questions, and I know you have all the answers.
We'll try and answer them, and it's a great idea. And changing the doors in your home changes the entire feel of the house.
I'm noticing some of the design components. This is pretty typical, but if you have an idea, you can literally scribble it on a piece of paper or a napkin, and you can actually make that happen.
We have a complete drafting department. We manufacture a lot of our own tooling right here on site. So you dream it, we'll build it.
All right, so my last question. If you want to upgrade the doors in your home, but maybe you need to take it step by step, do you have any pieces of advice on how to do that?
We've seen it done in the past, and a lot of two-story homes out there. Just do the first floor. That's where you entertain, right?
Yeah.
Raise it a little bit. If you have a ranch home, you want to set off, that entertaining area, rooms off of your living room, dining room, things like that.
Steve, always a pleasure. Thank you so much. And as always, for more information, all you have to do is log online to bairdbrothers.com.